Endorfer is back for episode 3. And today we are going to be messing around with some Meta Business Suite, some Meta Ads Manager. Check out the Meta Ad Library. Maybe try and see how Google Ads is going to work. And checking some website analytics. I'm going to very soon. I'm going to be starting to run Meta Ads and Google Ads for people, for businesses. So I wanted to get a little bit of a rundown on how to do that. Show some resources, like the best places where I think people explain it. Of course, if you don't want to watch me try and figure it out, but also show you how. I'm gonna give you the best places to go to. We'll talk a little bit more about SEO, I guess. I was trying to have a more entertaining video because I was gonna have my co-founder here, and y'all would finally get to meet him, and we were gonna do a live stream / recording for 3-4 hours at I don't know about that, but long recording, long stream, and that just didn't happen. So because I got snowed in, so I couldn't freaking go anywhere. So yeah, I might have him over tomorrow because the snow might get melted, and have another live stream going on Twitch. And I'll probably just send out the video a week later on YouTube, just to have a week in advance on stuff. I've decided I'm gonna start posting short form content three times a week, 3-4 maybe. And I'm gonna start to do user generated content. I might need a better phone, honestly, because this one is not the best. Yeah. I guess let's go ahead and get into it. This is not going to be a 2-hour stream like last time, but yeah. It should be about good. Already 3 minutes in. Yeah, I was streaming for 17 minutes before, but that was just me yapping, so it's okay. Let's first go to YouTube, and I'll show you guys the best piece of content that I've found, liked videos for running Facebook ads and stuff. I know that, okay, it says 8 months ago.
This is Bridie,
But this guy,
our social media manager. Before Monday.com, this used to be her face when someone asked, why didn't we post Perdona Day, Designer Offsite Day?
Over the last 3 years,
okay. This video right here by Roast Brez or whatever is probably the best video that I've seen on how to actually get meta ads set up, because people will talk about how meta ads work and stuff like that, and the best ad strategy or whatever, but this is beginner's guide to Facebook ads. And in the video, he actually
exactly how to do this.
screen shares what he sees and shows you where to click. And I think that's very valuable. Of course, I'm gonna do my own variation here, so that I can post it myself. But yeah, this is probably one of the best ones that I've seen. But I'm also gonna run down by myself and get into a few other things that he didn't mention to get everything set up. So yeah, with starting to try to get like meta ads and meta business suite set up, of course the first thing you need to do is go and create a Facebook account and an Instagram account. Facebook or Meta wants you to get both accounts on both platforms because they want more accounts on their platforms. So they make you do both. So, fun little fact there. Let's see. Yeah, that's one of the first things that you need to do. And then, what you also need to do is you need to go on to Instagram on your phone and turn on like Instagram business account or professional account or whatever it's called. And that will give you more analytics and like more data to what's going on with your content and whatnot. I have that turned on right now, and mine is set as a marketing agency. Of course, Osland.com is the marketing agency that is going on right now. Go check it out. That's ours, of course. Free. Yeah. Yeah, so of course, first thing you'll need, Facebook. Boom. And you'll just need to like boom boom boom. I think it's this. Anyone in Twitch chat? Nope. Nobody in Twitch chat. Save. Okay. Boom. If anyone didn't know, this is what it looks like on a computer. I would go ahead and get logged in on your computer and your phone as well. And then Instagram. This is what it looks like on the computer. You got boom, 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 people stories, content. Yeah. Okay. And then we'll need meta. So after you have an Instagram account that is in the business mode and a Facebook account, what you need to do is get on a computer, desktop, Meta Business. Oh my lord. You need to go to Meta Business Suite. Okay, that just sent me straight to the Ads Manager. We're about to get into that. Meta Business Suite. This is the process like that you need to go through to be able to run ads, and that's what I'm showing you how to do. So when you get logged into Meta Business Suite, I already have my Instagram account and Facebook account linked here, whatever. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to this top left here, and you'll need to create a business portfolio. There's a difference between your business portfolio that you have here and the business assets that you have within the business portfolio. I'm in my Instagram account with the business portfolio. Why is... Okay, bro. Okay. Anyway, sorry. Distracted. Yeah, but there's a difference. Let's go over there. Um, yeah, so you'll have your business portfolio that will have you create. It will have you link your like business Instagram account on there, and then it will have you link your Facebook account on there as well. And this is like the first place that you need to go to so that you can be able to run ads, and it gives you more like um, analytics and data about the content that you post. So you can come over here and boost it. You can see the insights. This is hello. Okay, yeah. It's just good to go ahead and get your Meta Business Suite set up before you go to the Ads Manager. But then when you have like all this over here or whatever, when you have the Meta Business Suite set up, you want to go to this Ads button in this left part here, and then you want to go to Ads Manager. I believe it also has you. It's also on the same, business portfolio that your Meta Business Suite is set up in. And when you're over here, there's a few things that you need to do before you can actually have and set up ads on your account. First thing, you'll come over here to, let's see, you go on this top part here where you can see your icon and your ID, and you'll click over here, or no, you'll click over here to your business portfolio, and you'll click on this little settings button. It used to be just in, I don't know why it shows all tools now, but okay, bro. First thing you need to do is you need to go set up pages. And you'll just click this little button right here. It will have you fill out a few things. It's not that difficult to get set up. Then it will go to Instagram accounts, and it will have you add your Instagram account. Simple, right? Then you go to data sources. Hold up. Okay, you'll have to go to billing and payments first, and get your payment method configured for, or wait. Well, I think sorry. You'll have to go actually set up an ad account for the page that you just added. So you got first, you got to go make your page, and then you have to go create your ad account for that page. Then you'll go to Instagram accounts and you'll add your Instagram account. Then you'll come over here to billing and payments. You will configure your payment method with your ad account. Mine's, yeah, that. And then what you need to do after that, the frick, what do you mean? Are we so serious? I don't know why why it just did that. What you'll need to do next, after you have your page set up, your ad account set up, your Instagram account set up, and your payment method configured for your ad account, you'll come over here to data sources, and you'll go to data sets and pixels, and you'll click on this ad or whatever. Go ahead and put in the name, Slim. Yeah, you'll just have to come over here and set up the data sets and pixels. And what that does is it allows all the data from the ads that you're running. It allows all that data about what people like click on the ad, what they do on the ad, and what happens when they go to your website. So you have to get this pixel set up with your, you'll have to get this data set or pixel set up with your website, and of course it varies from platform to platform, but pretty much you'll have to go into the back end of your website, whether that be WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, maybe you're using a vibe coder, like I use, and you'll have to take the ID or whatever, you have to take what it just told you, what it just gave you after you add in a data set or whatever. You'll have to, I think on Shopify there's a place where you can just like easily go in and add like Facebook pixel stuff or whatever. I'm not exactly sure where the pixel is supposed to go on the website. Where is the meta pixel supposed to go in a website? Okay, so the meta pixel is in the head section of your website's HTML code, specifically between the opening head and closing head. So yeah, pretty simple. You'll go in, you'll find the head code, and you'll add that. Of course, we can go and watch YouTube videos about how to do that, but I'm not particularly interested in that right now. So yeah, that covers just about everything. Okay. Alright, let's move out of the informative stuff and let's move on to the things that I actually want to work on for today. Because I already got all that configured. I just need to make a creative or whatever. And, like, yeah. The probably most complex thing in, like, creating an account or creating an ad is choosing your audience. If it's not just like you're going to everybody, that's one of the more complex things. Unless you're just trying to get the word out to literally everybody. In the demonstration that I saw, he was running a clothing brand, so he could literally just advertise to everybody because everyone needs clothes. So it was fairly simple. But if you're like me, a digital marketing agency, or like an agency that runs ads, my target audience is people who have businesses, preferably smaller ones that are adaptable, ready for change, but still have capital so that I can charge them my fee to run ads. and they can use their money to run ads. And like pretty much in ads, you always have the client run, or you always have the client spend the money on the ads themselves with their credit card. Not only for like potential issues that could run into like spending money on mine after I charged you for it, which is a big issue that you just don't want to run into. It's also they can get points and rewards if they're using a credit card and they use the credit card for ad spend and just pay it back each month. Very, very useful. I should put that down. Very useful stuff. Let's get into the experimental stuff that I want to see. So Meta has a ad library where they literally store all of the I believe they store all of the ads that are running on Meta. So I believe you can go to the ad library and you can go and search. You can go and search yourself top performing ads. And we're about to find this out right now. Started running August 19th, 2025. Platforms: Facebook, Instagram. What is this? Audience network, Messenger, and Threads. Okay. Alright, this is status by active ads. So, impressions high to low. Let's see summary details of this ad. Let's see, 2 ads, any filters applied on search group ads. Is this... This might be an A/B test. Advertisers often use the same image or video and text to create ad campaigns. Different start dates, locations, and budgets. This section contains collective data for 2 ads. Total active time was only 2 hours on this, so let's see this one. About ads and data use, about the advertiser. Oh wow, okay, they've got a lot of followers. Okay. Yeah, about ads and ad use. Let's see. About Facebook ads. Let's talk about ads together, learn more. What? Can you move? What the freak is going on? This is such a weird setup. Understand what data is used to show you ads. Your activity across Meta technologies, your activity on other websites. Oh wow, okay, that's crazy. Websites or apps you visit can send Facebook data directly from using your business tools such as Pixel to help us show you ads based on products or services you've looked at, such as a skirt or clothing retailer's website. Wow, okay, so they're selling your information to Meta. Great. We use specific data to show ads. Okay. I just want to see about why you see an ad. Okay, yeah, duh. Yep, that's what we do. Yep. I didn't ask for this. I wanted to see the metrics. Why is it scrolling like this? Oh, it's scrolling back here. Okay. $50,000 results. These results include ads that match your keyword search. Let's see. June 6, 2025. This ad has multiple versions. See ad details. It just doesn't show me, like, ish. Shit, I gotta get, like, this amount of followers on Instagram. Let's see. Go follow me on Instagram if you're seeing this. It should be Noah Lindorfer. Oslin Lindorfer. Yeah, that's what's up. Where was I? Yeah, let's actually go see how many. Yep, that's completely true. That's a lot of followers. Can you stop showing me this? Thank you. Kite baby. Yeah. Okay. So it's not showing me what I want to see. Active status from, I don't care. Impressions by date. See ad. Okay, but it is showing me from. It said it was showing me from sorted by impressions high to low. Most recent. What the fuck? What did I just see? What is this? I searched up clothing. Bro, no wonder this hasn't... Okay, bro. Okay, can you, like... That was showing me some crazy stuff, but okay. Okay, so it does show you from, like, most impressions to, like, least. And it looks like the stuff that's getting the most impressions is just, like, basic stuff. Like, I mean, like, look at this detailed image. Look at that. That's what was shown. This black corner. That's what was being shown. And then this is just some random dude that's just wearing the shirt. That... I mean, this one is understandable why it's up here on the highest. Because it's just a hot chick up there. That's the same ad. This one's also understandable, but most of these are just kind of like... I mean... Let's see.
This is the first multi-purpose loungewear set that I've ever owned, and it's by that brand Comfort Clothing. I loved it so much, I got it in another color. This is the stunning powder blue color. I love the waistband on the pants, plus it has pocket. It fits so perfectly on your waist, but it does have strings in case you want to tie it up. And the reason I say multi-purpose...
Okay. But that looks like a really simple ad. It's just a user-generated content about some, like young, like, hot chick talking about some, oh, I love this. Like, looks to be the trend.
Sister kept telling me about the sweatshirt company. She's like, Comfort Clothing sweatshirts. And I'm like,
okay, that's not
yeah, whatever, okay. And then I'm on TikTok, and I get an ad for it because obviously your phone's always listening to you. I'm like, oh, this is what Julia was talking about. So I order one. I order a gray set. A week later, I meet the owner, and he ends up being one of the coolest people I've ever met in my life. He's like a big mental health advocate. He's really impressive. He's doing great things with the company. And I'm like, I actually have one of your sets at my house. I haven't even put it on yet, though, because my sister stole it from me so quickly. And so ever since then, he's just been like helping me order.
Like, that's not a bad ad, though. It's just like, I mean, it has a cool like background or whatever. I wish that was my freaking background. Maybe you guys should maybe like subscribe so that I could get a background like this. That'd be cool, you know. Anyways, 'cause I'm kind of broke right now. It's okay. We getting out of this. We getting rich or dying trying. That's literally the should have known, bro. Let's see another video.
If you're pregnant, here's a clothing hack that I wish I knew during my first pregnancy. When you get to your second and third trimester, anything with a waistband is going to dig into your belly and cause so much discomfort.
Okay, so
that's why
it's
maternity jumpsuits are your best friend. They're super soft.
Okay.
The next station is Tokyo.
I guarantee you, nobody actually said that. Replied to stay in Japan's comment. Oh my gosh, how much did you spend there? Notice how there's no profile picture? No, but like, that's not even a bad idea to go for. Just like making up random stuff. Just being like, hey, some people actually notice our clothing brand or whatever. This is a carousel. But it looks like a cool carousel. I don't care about what it's actually about. It looks like a inventory menu on a video game.
Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boy, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boy, certified pedophiles.
Okay, so it just took it took popular audio and just like literally went through like what they offer.
Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boy, certified pedophiles.
Okay, I don't like this song, but like it took a popular song and it showed what they had. Let's try for, let's see, a service-based business. Handyman services. This is still by impressions, so the highest one up here should be the highest amount of impressions. This is school. Interesting. I know about school, so caught my eye. I have school. I think school's pretty cool. I think I might start a school community. Would anybody join it? Put it in the comments. Anybody join it? I hope some people watch this. It'd be cool. And then comment. Yeah, but this is cool though. You can go and see all the active ads that are like on Meta for this like niche or for like the keywords or whatever. Right back. Be right back. Hello? Hello? Oh, that's off. Unmute. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, yeah, we're in. Let's go. Okay, yeah, we're in. Let's go. Boom. Boom. Mute. I've been live for 50 minutes now. Boom. Okay. Yeah. We are back now. I think so. 40 minutes in. Okay. Yeah, anyways, this is, the ad library is interesting. You can see the active status of ads and, like, how other people run them in your niche. Let's see. Digital marketing. Ad library API. Go. Tools and training to outmarket the competition. See, I just don't think carousels or like single image things are going to outperform user generated content in this niche of digital marketing, because it's not a visual type of thing. It's like I have to show you how to do it, and I have to do it, or the ad agency has to do it, and it's more of an action. It's not really, or it's a lot of actions put together, and that's why we can charge a lot for it. Yeah, but I just don't think one person or one image things are gonna beat it out here.
Your TikTok account brings tears to your eyes. Increase the number of subscribers and likes with online digital marketing. Don't waste your time. Learn about online digital marketing. Your TikTok account brings tears to your eyes.
Okay, I kind of like this one. Just because it's not like, oh, what the freak. Yeah, I just yeah. Wasn't trying to do that. Yeah, can you please stop bringing me to the actual Facebook page? Thank you. I like this ad, though.
Increase the number of subscribers and likes with online digital marketing. Your TikTok account brings tears to your eyes.
Your TikTok account brings tears to your eyes. Oh, wow, they've run that, a fair amount of places, okay? A fair amount of times. See, like, I think this is like, oh my gosh, I just want to see the ad. Does that take you to a link tree? It looks like a link tree. Nobody's reading this. Okay. Nobody's reading that. Yeah. So, I have a few ideas for how I'm gonna run ads for myself, but I'm only gonna run those so that I can show my expertise on how I do that. I need to actually make some creative, so I'll be doing that soon. And hopefully, if you're seeing this video, you'll see that ad as well. But I think the first thing that you need to do really is not worry so much about running ads, but making content. Like, I haven't like ran any ads yet, but I've made a fair amount of posts related to my niche. about this type of stuff. So we've got the first post talking about like I'm about to release this or whatever. Awesome.com. This is kind of related to my niche because it's like the work that I had to do or whatever. This is the first video, is me talking about random NNN stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna start making and I figured out quickly that this just like me on the side of the screen isn't gonna really work. On YouTube, I got a fair amount of views with this one right here, and I thought it was pretty funny. This is me after charging the client $4,000 for a website, for me to one-shot prompt it in an AI website maker. Yeah, I thought that was funny. But I'm gonna start making stuff like this. As you can see from the likes, this has like 8. It says like 8 likes, and it got like 400 views maybe. And this video I posted today. I posted today. This was a few days ago now. 8 likes versus 35. I think that's pretty significant. This one got 22. That was like 2 days ago. And I'm gonna start doing like every other day. So, yeah, I just wanna do that to show our expertise and like we actually know how to promote people on the internet. So, and it's a long-term play to build a brand. I mean, that's what I'm trying to do. I need some capital, but hey, if you're an investor, please hit me up if you think this is a good idea and you think I'm going to actually execute it well. I would love some pre-seed, I believe that's what you call it, to get everything off the ground. This is fun stuff. Yeah, I just want to be able to show people that I know how to promote myself online, and I'm starting to do that. But yeah, long-term play, a little tricky, but I think it's worth it. I've got another like user-generated content, and that's what this is, like these two versus something like this where it's like me at the bottom of the screen. I've got a few other ideas for it, and I'm gonna have to come up with some more. Yeah. I'm not gonna record for too long this time, but there is one more thing that I want to do before we end the stream. What I want to do is, okay, last time we got on Google Analytics and I explained how they work and how I'm going to boost my site's performance. Let's see. So I'm not exactly sure what this is compared to last time. I just know that I added more content. Yeah. Still 54 from direct, so it's not really like could be a lot of bots. But 12 from IG. So it's kind of doing what I wanted to do, but yeah. Let's go over here to view channel. And let's go ahead. This only has 3 views. Okay. If you're watching this video right now, go and watch that video, and then the one before it, or go and watch the one before it first. Boom. Yeah, that's what's up. It's just they don't know about it. We pretty much got one like every week, and I also post like shorts. Holy shit. Okay. This is the best one so far.
Call this one the Blue Steel. Good ride.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna post that on Instagram. I'm so ridiculous. Anyways, yeah. So let's go over here. Let's go to share. Yeah, copy link. And we're gonna do what we did last time to get this done quickly. Notebook LM. And we're going to have it summarize what I talked about last video. And then we are going to go put it in my website. This is pretty much what we got done last time. The Austin.com blueprint, how we're building a modern agency from scratch. Boom, boom, boom. This is like pretty much a summary of what I talk about in the first video. What I'm doing is I'm recording videos, and then the next week I'm going back and like putting that video up on my site. And there's also the link for it in the blog. Then you can open. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, I want to add what we did in the second video. There it is. Where'd it go? There we go. Insert. We Getting Rich or Dying Trying episode 2. Start from the first. If you really want to know. In this video, Noah Lindorfer demonstrates SEO strategies to improve website rankings on Google and AI platforms like Gemini. He emphasizes content creation, local SEO, and backlinks. By using Google Analytics, he tracks his traffic while repurposing video into blog posts. That's pretty cool. If I do say so myself, because that's exactly what I talked about. Let's see. Can you give me a summary of this video that I could put on my website blog? And also give me a title. I want to see what I look like on stream right now. You know what? Title, mastering. I'm so cooked. Title, mastering modern SEO from Google rankings to AI optimization. In this second episode of the We Getting Rich or Dying Trying series, Noah Lindorfer dives deep into the world of search engine optimization to help brands rank higher on platforms like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. This video moves beyond theory to provide actionable steps to building authority and visibility in a changing digital landscape. Key highlights from the videos include understanding SEO fundamentals. The session breaks down the difference between local SEO, which optimizes a businesses for specific geographic areas, and keyword ranking by position, which tracks where your site appears for your niche specific search terms. The rise of AI search. No explores. Let me just go ahead and read this real quick. Is it in the same format? For me to the blog form. Videos be in first person. Boom. Yes, it is absolutely okay and highly professional to write your digital marketing agency's blog in the first person, especially when translating video content into written form. Okay, I was just making sure that wasn't unprofessional to do that. Where did it go? What was I looking for? I believe it's in here. As if I were Noah Lindorfer. And that's who I am. Ooh. Boom. Hold up. I need a thumbnail. I need a thumbnail for like something. I'm not sure if this is gonna be the actual thumbnail. Hold up. This is gonna be peak. Just watch. Wait. We need a couple thumbnails. So, right? Boom. Clipped. This guy smells pretty good. Boom. Okay, so hold up. For the thumbnail, we're gonna like hold him up like this. Then we're gonna be, yeah, ultimate thumbnail. Okay. My bad. Distraction. Sorry. Sorry, Teach. Sorry, guys. Sorry, chatter. Suey. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Don't leave. Let's see. So we're going back to here. Want to add piece of content. Blog, and I want the title Mastering Modern SEO, my actionable strategy. I don't know why it says Oslin. Digital, whatever, bro. Here, boom. Mastering modern SEO. This is America. I'm in America. Water break. Pistachio break. There's no pistachios. There's a pistachio. Only the real ones know about me having pistachios at the beginning of the stream. That's to be an inside joke of the stream. The pistachios. You're not a real one if you don't know about the pistachios in the stream. These pistachios are the best pistachios. I sound like Trump. These pistachios are the best pistachios. You're very smart, very intelligent. Okay, I can't. I cannot get political. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Nom nom nom. Okay. So we're locked. We getting rich. Wait, what? Episode 2. Boom. No. No, we're chill. My bad. I gotta chill. How long we into this? An hour? I'll be done in a sec, guys. Trust. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. These pistachios are goated. Boom. In this video, I talk about why SEO is important. Where am I? Oh. Boom. No, stop. And then we can go and copy all this. I'm back for the second episode of Weekend Rich Dying Trying. I'm playing long-term game here. If I keep these updates of broad value, I'm predicting our organic search reward. Head over to awesome.com and let's get to work. That's right. Any errors where talks about awesome.com change spelled correctly. Boom. Okay. So, now we let the AI work. This TS is crazy, guys, isn't it? Magnificent pistachios. Magnificent. This better be in like the same format as the previous one. I should have added that. Now it's gonna be like, oh, I didn't know you wanted me to put it in the same format. Alright, let's see what it did. Hopefully it didn't butcher it. We need some chatter. We need some chatter. We need people in the chat. If my co-founder was here, we could have gotten that set up. Yo, bet. One sec, chat. Yeah, let's see. Let's go see what it did. Blog. Oh my fucking gosh. Why would you do that? What the fuck? This is some straight bullshit, bro. I want it to be in the same format. I want you to retry that. And trying to put it same format. Got it? Bro, AI can still not like do all of this for you yet. You have to like walk it, like you have to like hold its hand like a child. It doesn't know how to really do TS yet. It just tries. It's like, are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Did I make you happy? Is this it? Freaking bums. Perfect. I reformed the blog post to match the style of the awesome.com blueprint post. The YouTube link has been embedded into the title heading. We'll see, bro. We'll see, bro. Yeah. I think I did what you wanted me to do. Bro, L posture. We gotta stay locked. We're ascending this year. And then next year. And then the year after that. We're ascending all the years. It did it, bro. Okay. Now I just need it to delete the other one. You made 2 boxes for what I gave you, but one of them doesn't have any content in it. So remove it. Boom. Let's go. Let's run it. We're so locked. Oh, no more pistachios. Oh my gosh. In the beginning of these, I'm so locked. I'm so informative. And then at the end of these videos, it's just like, I just want to show people that I'm like actually working on stuff. I'm about to fall again. And get some content up on the internet. Because if I make these videos, right, and someone sees a recommended video that I made 6 months ago, and they watch it, or they watch some of it, and they go check out my channel, and then they see like all else of what I've been doing, then that's already a little bit of trust. I've already informed the audience about what I do. So if anyone like messages or likes a post or whatever, I can do warm outreach, and they probably know more of what I'm talking about because they're watching my stuff. Boom. Aha. Okay. Boom. Let's not fall again. Okay. Tonight. Oh, shit. Wait. Tonight, this is what we did. We went over things to be able to run ads on a, like, ad account for Meta. We checked out the Meta ad library, so you can go see ads that are active on, like, Meta stuff or whatever, like Facebook and Instagram. And then we did some more content repurposing on my website, so that hopefully we can get it to rank better if we keep posting like every week. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep recording me making updates to my website, but maybe I might. Because then you'll need to go check it out, right? Yeah. That's pretty much all we did tonight. It was a pretty chill. It's a pretty chill day. Hopefully tomorrow, I believe I'm meeting up with co-founder. So we will have a video dropping next week with co-founder, obviously, and a stream going on tomorrow. Probably starting around like 1:30, 2, maybe. We'll see. And yeah, we'll post that a week later. And yeah, we'll get some solid work done, because there's a few things that need to go on his end, on his computer and stuff, that we haven't got setting up yet. So it's gonna be fun stuff. We have to do a few things for because for an agency it's different to run ads for yourself, like I'm gonna do, and then it's different to have people give you access to their accounts to run ads for them. So yeah, we're gonna get on that. I think that's gonna be it for tonight, though. You want to promote yourself on the internet? Go over to awesome.com and we will see what we can get situated for you. Big stuff coming up soon. Meeting co-founder. We should have a partnership with a tech company, I believe, happening about a week and a half from now. So that's gonna be fun stuff. And after that, he should be referring his client that he made a website for to us for SEO. So yeah. And then I believe after February, he's gonna switch to us as his ad provider. So we'll be running ads for the tech company and the people he brings to us that want ads, like, ran for them. So fun stuff. We're gonna keep getting after it, aren't we? If you watched all the way through, I'm surprised. because this one was not the most entertaining. But it's okay. I guess I'll see you in the next one.